morning goes by so fast.
We just go by so fast. We're live.
Yeah, we are.
Good
As we are every day.
morning.
19 jump in already. Waiting for us at the door.
They are ready.
Mm-hmm.
What's going on, gang? What's going on?
This is going to be a very, very interesting day, Tanner.
It is going to be a very interesting day. I agree with that.
I have $661 of drawdown left.
Okay. Let's see here.
See if I can make a comeback. See if I can make a comeback. $660 left. I'm going to risk $250 per trade. What up, Brian, Charles, Chris?
What's good? What is good?
Top to top, fellas. Top of the top.
What is good? What was that noise?
It sounded like Thinkorswim.
It was Thinkorswim. Trying to get involved.
Let me see what my options. Let me see what my options are. Do anybody else have like swing plays? What's up, Will? Anybody got swing plays going? Let's see where we are.
There we go.
Okay.
Phil, you hear that?
Okay.
You hear that? You hear that? I got filmed.
Like
got filmed looking for this this snow play. Individual names out there. My individual name gang.
Okay, I'm up $732 on my swings today.
Beautiful.
On my small, this is my small account. I started out with $1,000 on my Robinhood account. I got 4,000 right now.
Okay.
So I 4x it.
Okay. Wow,
See if I can send it to 1 million. What do you think, Teddy? You think I can send it to 1 million?
I would be really proud of you if you did.
Okay.
That's how I'm gonna answer that. That's how I'm gonna answer that. That's exactly how I'm gonna answer
What up,
that.
Rusty? Josh, what's going on, man? Stock market scientist. Good morning. I'm on top of the top. So you can manually swing trade on Robinhood. What do you mean by manually? What does that mean? What do you mean manually? Like I can go and place a call or a put option for long term.
Oh,
top to top, let's get it.
Good morning. Good morning.
What up, Mark?
Good morning. All right, I'm gonna set and forget
chat.
this. I'm gonna let this thing trade.
Come on in.
Hold this shit till like Friday, bro. Okay.
What are you sending?
Snow.
And I used to trade Snow when I first started. That was one of the first names I've ever traded when I first started trading in general.
Dude, look at this, bro. Look at this. I'll show you why. Look at this. Actually, I shout out Options Insider. He showed me this yesterday. Look at this fucking. Let me pull you off. Look at this weekly chart, bro. Up here in the corner. Look at this 3-bar play on this weekly chart. Real nice. And then ready for this? Look at this flat top right here. Breakout.
Okay.
It's I had a strong earnings move. It's literally kind of just held the 9. Had another gap here, pulled back, filled the gap, came back to the 21. Now we're literally just in breakout mode. So I'm just targeting 235 up here. Pretty simple, straightforward play.
Oh, nice.
So we'll see what happens to it. I like it. It looks decent. I'm willing to take the risk on it. But
yeah,
that's when
what up, Kevin?
We'll see.
Kevin,
good
Jordan,
morning. Good morning.
Top of the top. Shadow, Sadden, Steve, what's good? Oscar.
So
Oscar. Taylor, what's good? Top of the top.
Good morning. All right, let's go over some charts. Not too much different from yesterday in terms of like what we're looking for.
Pull your
definitely
screen up and give us the rundown.
All right, let me pull this up. Let me pull this up. Sometimes it's too slow at this shit, dude. My coffee hasn't kicked in yet. Sorry. I'm trying to get the brain going and flowing.
Today's gonna be very, very interesting.
Yeah, we're gonna be patient as hell today. I'll tell you that much.
Bro, I have $600 drawdown. I have $600
Uh,
drawdown. I have to make something shake, chat. Gotta make some shit shake. I only got 600.
okay, so this 22,900 was a big level of interest from yesterday, a big focus, right? If we were to literally draw a nice, I have this level on my other chart, but you can just draw it roughly right here, right in this area. We can see pretty much how many times it's been tested. This is a good area coming down into view up now. Just swept this. We can get one more sweep down into here. That might be a nice little play, but I'm going to wait because we're too close to the open. What I'm looking for today is basically to see how this 900 holds, and then the really big thing I want to see is how sellers potentially defend prior day high if we get up there. That's going to be my big kicker right now, because if we get up towards prior day high and they defend that, that means sellers are still kind of doing their thing. So I'm focused on that. We did come down and test two big levels. Near-term volume point of control is this 825 area, basically right into these tails. And then right below this is 778, was the prior all-time high level that I had. So that's what I'm watching. That's what I'm focused on pretty much today. I do want to be super patient until a little bit closer to 10 a.m. See what price gives us. We're bouncing right off the 900 right now. Pretty nice. Look at this, 30 seconds. Taking everything in me not to take that, but it's okay. I'm going to wait. So that's it. Kind of just want to be super patient after yesterday's mess and just be really clear on like exactly what I want to see. Look at daily chart, right? We're kind of cruising down. So prior day high is going to be really important. How we defend that, it's going to be really important for the sellers. And obviously prior day low if we get down there. But right now, where are we, right? If we want to go to like a 5-minute in terms of yesterday's move, we are pretty much smack dab in the middle. We got prior day high here, prior day low here. Where are we? Right in the middle, right? It's a toss up for me personally. I don't like toss ups. I want to have a little bit more clarity. I don't like trading the middle of the range like this. It's just not my favorite thing. It's just harder. So I'm just gonna kind of chill and wait, especially after yesterday. And again, today is just gonna be like, can you stay in control? Can you stay focused on like not doing stupid things? Can you take a loss and take a step back for a second and be like, all right, what's the next plan of attack? Right? Like that was my area yesterday as I went too heavy into YM after my first initial loss. And like that's kind of what I really want to eye and focus on. I feel like this is failing to go lower here. Look at this. Oh, I'm tempted here. I'm tempted, bro.
Didn't take the trade, bro. What the fuck?
I
Just
like
size
it.
down.
I know. I do like it.
That's 5 micros, though.
Yeah, but I got
Order
small
filled.
risk. My risk is going to be right here, super tight, $120. I'm going to add
Order filled.
260. I love this little filled attempt here to go lower. Right at my level. These usually can be decent if we can get some follow through here.
Yeah.
So we had the sweep.
That is a good trade. I like the way that looks.
I like how it looks. I do. I really like just how we were walking through that as well. Sweep into the level of interest 900.
Yeah.
This could work out well, potentially, or it doesn't. Let's see.
Either way. It's a good attempt. It's one of those things, like we say a million times, this is worth the loss. You really have to ask yourself, am I willing to lose on this trade? Like, is that, and how much am I willing to lose on this trade? How valuable is this trade to me? And right now, this trade is worth $260 to Tanner. I mean, he's willing to lose it.
It's just a fair haircut, dude. It's a pretty standard haircut for me, 260.
Yeah.
Not in real life, in trading, everyone. My haircut's $50.
Which is still insane. We'll talk about that another day.
All right, look at this. Nice little reaction there. Nice little reaction. I need to push, keep popping here. Look at this 2-minute. Let's go to some bigger time frames to get the anxiety out the way.
Yeah, it's either going to reclaim that wick or we're gone. But that's two long wicks, 2 long tails. That shows there's buying pressure down there.
For sure, buying pressure down there. Absolutely.
Yeah, and I like how like the first tail went down, the second tail went past that one, reclaimed and got bought right back up. I think you're good.
Let's see. It's not a bad attempt if it fails.
Yeah,
super
not a bad
early.
attempt at all.
I wish it was a little bit later when this kind of bounce like this. 'Cause I feel like we can get one more flush still, but yeah, see.
Yeah, right. Give this man some love. Yeah, look like my reclaim here.
Yeah, that's reclaiming.
Fit said he don't like longs here.
Order filled.
Okay, there's that. Now I'm just gonna fucking wait super patiently. That was my one attempt, dude, of like right at my level, right where I wanted to try it. I don't want to deal with fuckery today. I'm gonna be super patient now. I'll probably sit till like fucking close to 10 a.m. honestly. So let's see. Show him weight now.
Trading with Lawrence is like trading with Lawrence is like having a personal coach at all times. It is. It is.
That's why I like waiting usually. I just gotta get back to that, dude. Get back to the waiting, to the patientness, to the super patientness. Because now we just dump. Now we sit and wait.
I got to be super patient, bro, because I have one trade in me today. One
Yeah,
trade.
I
I don't
know,
have
literally.
much.
Yeah.
I do not have much. I have $660.
Wow, here's what I'm looking for here, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? Look at this bounce. I'm gonna wait though. I'm not getting fucking bamboozled, guys.
Not bamboozled.
I'll sit here and fucking miss the whole move versus getting bamboozled. I just don't want to do it today.
I understand. Yesterday was pretty taxing.
Yeah. Oscar re-entered long. Not a bad play. I like it. Totally could work, dude.
About a 55-point range so far.
See, look at that bullshit, too. They just had to fucking take me out. Should put my stop a little bit lower. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
We didn't really sweep this Asia low. 885s. We're gonna wait.
You said we didn't sweep Asia low?
We didn't. No,
okay.
Doesn't look like it. Well, not Asia low. I'm sorry. Asia low is way down there. I don't know this. There's just an area right around 885 that didn't get swept technically. It's right here, right? This little 886 area. Go to the 15. Probably see it a bit better. This, right? We like barely edged it.
What time is that? 8:15.
I don't know, 1900. You know that, your military time.
Bro, those days are so past. I just
it's gone.
I don't
now.
even want to yeah, bro. I don't even want to remember. Like that part of my life is so unaccounted for.
Really?
Yeah, it's so unaccounted for. I just like let it be.
Yeah. Yeah, Fit Trader. It's frustrating seeing it get stopped out and go in your direction for sure. For sure. So it's it does suck. But I'm not giving into fucking FOMO today. I'm just not doing it. I'm not fucking doing it. I think it's small. I do think it's small. I do think it's small cap summer though.
Yeah, you've been saying that for a while. I do.
RTY.
What's it
RTY
called?
is going.
The Zoom call we had yesterday was pretty solid, bro.
That was good. That was a good little call.
That was really good. Yeah.
That was a solid little call.
Yeah, so
I did enjoy that.
Last night, just to catch everybody up, yesterday was a pretty tough session for a lot of our traders. So Tanner called an emergency Zoom call to get everybody back on track to see what's going to be our next steps moving forward. We did some trade reviews and what we did wrong. Full accountability just showed everybody everything as far as bro, the markets they're tough, bro. And a lot of times I think one of the key takeaways was, understand what my key takeaway was, understand exactly when your setup is not aligning with the market and know when to step back. Okay. And yesterday was just one of those days.
Yep.
RTY breaking out.
RTY is breaking out. Holy crap, RTY breaking out. Yeah, nice little flat top breakout here. The 2240s and RTY. Pretty decent.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to wait. I'm just going to wait. You're going to see me waiting. You're going to see me sitting and waiting and chilling. So
Sitting and waiting and chilling
sitting
and
and waiting
chilling,
and
sitting and
chilling.
waiting and sitting and
Sitting and
chilling and
waiting and
waiting.
chilling. This was super annoying. Literally barely took me out, dude. I had my stop, I think, at 891. Where would have my stop
It was
at?
a good attempt.
894. Then
It
went
was
to
definitely a good attempt.
889. Frustrating, but it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. I kind of want to take longs here,
Wait till
but
we get
I'm
through.
going to
I
be
would
a
wait till we
little
get through VWAP.
patient. I'm going to wait because I'm looking at the 30-second chart. I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to go back to the 1 minute.
I'm looking at the 5-second chart, and it's just really not giving me what I need. Dude.
Today may be that type of day for me, Lawrence. What type of day? What did I say? I don't know what I said.
Some type of way, some type of day.
I don't know what I said. Remind me what I said, Jordan. I don't remember.
RTY,
Lawrence, you on a live or funded account? I'm on a funded account. It's a clean slate for me. I started everything all over again. Follow me on YouTube. Check out my journey.
Check out the journey. Check out the journey. YM's looking a little decent here. RTY is pushing. Look at RTY, dude. Small cap summer right off of VWAP, bro. I'll make some t-shirts that say small cap summer. SCS.
Yeah.
Let's look at this daily. What's we got going on here? Hey, look at this. Is like a nice little bull flag, dude. This thing is just ready to go all the way the fucking moon, dude. Has tons of room. It wants 2,600.
Mm-hmm.
Calling it right now, so that way we can reference this YouTube video later, and everyone's like, "Dude, you called that. You called that." But it doesn't mean shit unless you take action on it. I will tell you that.
Yeah.
I will tell you that.
You said that when the price action doesn't align with your setup, sometimes it may be best to sell. Absolutely. Absolutely. Like for
Yeah.
me, I know that if I lose 2 trades back to back with great execution, like I
Mhm.
executed it properly, then this is not my fault. There's no time for redemption, no time for me to it's not my fault. So I just charge it to the game. Kevin, he's in YM longs,
I
and you
like the
basically
YM,
request
dude. I'm not against this. This is decent. Look at this reclaim the
that does look
VWAP.
good.
This sweep here. This looks actually
There's not
really
much of
good.
a where would you enter on that though? Because it's pumping.
I would need to have got long down here. That's the problem. Yeah, it's a really good. I don't have a stop now. It's too big. This is the whole sidewalk skyscraper mentality. What am I supposed to do? Have 100-point stop on YM? Like, no, I can't do that. I just personally
Right.
can't. So
You basically requested your whole balance, and then they closed it. Absolutely. I actually got paid last night. Huge payout. Nice little
yeah.
amount.
Okay.
Oh.
Decent rejection so far of VWAP here on NQ. I'm wondering if we're going to get one more push lower. ES starting to shape up. Not too bad.
Oh yeah, let me check out ES. I always
RTY
lag on
still
that.
going. I wonder if we get one more flush here. It's looking pretty weak. Look at all these tails. If we can lose 900 and then reclaim 900, maybe something like that. Look at this. Interesting. Look at the magic line being respected, dude.
It is being respected.
The magic line being respected. Kevin, you caught the
I'm in
breakout above
longs.
1 minute opening structure. You're in.
Yeah.
All right.
Hold
Take
on.
us to the promised land. Take over.
All right.
Are you ripping Neurogum?
Yes.
Check it out. Not sponsored at all. This shit is fire though. I got the bag. I got the I got the bag, baby.
Yeah. It's fire.
Sounds like my college days. I got the bag. Let's see here. Another test of VWAP. We're just kind of testing the old VWAP machine. Rejecting. Do we get one more little sweep lower here?
That would suck.
It's getting heavy. Give us a sweep under 900 and then a reclaim of 900 so I can take the long. Potentially. We are rejecting QQQ VWAP really nicely this entire time. That's why I say I don't have enough information. I just want to be super patient. Feels the same thing as yesterday, kind of.
If I get stopped out here, then I'm done for the day.
Yeah, I think it might.
Yeah, I think it might too.
I think if you're fully at the low, I think you might be good.
Yeah. I normally, but the thing is, we got below London lows, and that's why I'm taking this. But normally I like to see the breakout of the opening range, come back into the range, and then my entry model. That's like an A+ for me. But London lows, breakout of London lows, come back in the range with my entry model. That's kind of like a B, a B setup for me.
Yeah.
So I went ahead and tried it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it, but I probably should have waited for like an A setup, honestly, especially since I don't have much to work with.
Yeah, I feel like we just might come down. Remember that little low I talked about on the 15 chart, 15 minute? I feel like we're going to sweep right below 885 and then reclaim and hold that.
Yeah, looks like
that's kind of what I'm thinking.
It's not looking too good.
It's just still too early, dude. And we're just rejecting VWAP perfectly. All right, let's see how we can sweep this 885s area.
Yeah, I'm cooked.
Yeah, you're cooked.
All right, I'm done for the day.
Did it take you out? No?
No, it edged me.
It did edge you. Let's see. Interesting. Here's my other scenario.
Don't sit here and play with my feelings and then take me out. That's what I don't like. Don't tease me and then not give it to me. All right.
Yeah.
So
tricky. This fucking candle, dude.
Yeah. This shit's about to tease me and not give it to me, huh? Ooh.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I like this now, dude. This looks decent. Oh,
bro,
shit.
my stop loss is at 889, bro. This shit went to 890.
The other scenario I like. I do like this kind of now. This is decent.
Bro, I got edged crazy, bro. This shit went to 890.
That's why you keep it at the low. That's why you keep the stop at the low, right?
My stop loss is at 889. I had less than 1 point. That's crazy, bro.
That's crazy.
All right, now give me the rip.
Now you need a real follow through here, dude.
Yeah.
Definitely.
This is exactly why I don't move my stop. I don't touch it. The system said you're good until you're not.
Let it trade.
System says you're good till you're not.
Wow.
Bro, I got edged.
Wow.
Crazy. That's
kind of like this YM.
If this is a dub, bro, look at this.
That's crazy, bro.
That's wild, bro. Hold on. Look at that shit. You see it?
Dude, yeah. It's like, what the fuck? So close. So close.
Extremely so wild. Close. I just knew it was over. It still might be because this shit's not. I'm not getting much follow through here.
Yeah, I'm still waiting, dude. I didn't chase that or anything. I'm just.
This looks pretty good.
It looks good, yeah. You need to get closer to the candle being closed here.
Yeah.
Got 1 more minute.
Bobby D said I'm driving but couldn't stay away. I'm such a degenerate. Yeah, you are. You're definitely a DJ.
If you're driving, come on,
Yeah.
brother.
Yeah. I can't say that I haven't done it before, so I'm not gonna sit here and judge you. But you're definitely DJing.
I'm driving.
We're not gonna act like that's not a thing for you.
Driving. That's funny.
That's actually insane.
That's pretty funny.
That's actually insane, brother.
Okay, I might get involved in YM here if we can pull back to VWAP and hold it.
Ethan said driving with his knees. Facts.
Driving with the knees, putting orders in.
That's hilarious.
Still waiting here. I'm being
not
so
out of the woods
fucking
yet.
patient. I'm being so fucking patient.
We're not out of the woods yet. Here comes the truth.
629 on. Okay, here we go. I'm looking for this this buy setup on YM if we can get it. Ooh, I don't really like this 15-minute though. It's kind of ugly.
Luke is calling yesterday low target.
Okay.
Every fit is short.
Okay.
What are you looking at, Turner?
I'm watching YM right now as it pulls into VWAP, honestly. I'm trying to see if I can get
for
involved.
your long bias or short bias?
Yeah, long bias on it.
Okay.
We had a pretty nasty rejection of 700 though. So, but we're literally coming into VWAP like perfectly and trying to hold it. If we get an impulse, one more move. Waiting to see here. Anyone's there? Okay. I'm looking to get involved. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try this. Okay, let's see. I'm in.
Let's check out your chart. Let me see what you got.
It's a lot, decent amount of size, honestly. The same thing as yesterday. But I really like. I was super patient for my entry.
Let me see.
Super patient for my entry. We pulled into VWAP. Literally, I kind of sniped it right at this low. So I'm like, as long as we don't break 584, should be decent. But I just don't like this 700 reject right here because I could see this potentially falling through all the way down. But I kind of trust this sweep more. So I don't know. I'm gonna let's see here. It's a really nice bounce so far in the 2-minute. And I really was patient waiting. I waited for not only YM VWAP to be tested, but also DIA. And the setup is extension, pullback, retest, aim for the highs. So I'm pretty content with it, with at least attempting here. I am content with attempting here. Let's see if we can get some follow through back to the upside.
Oh, we got a nice little push down. Yeah.
Yeah, we got a nice little rejection there.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get cooked on this one.
Let's try and I'm not doing anything. 37s. Let's see. Okay. I want to aim for the highs. I want to aim for up here, actually, 718s. I like this now. This is looking a little bit better. Nice little 2-minute close here. Nice 2-minute close, indeed. Just such a nice bounce off DIA VWAP also. Got a double VWAP bounce. I can't ask for much more, to be honest. This is my setup in a nutshell. So I think I'm gonna go for all of it. And by all of it, because I kind of size pretty big. I don't like this 15-minute bar. This is real fucking ugly.
I mean, I think that's gonna reclaim though.
Hopefully, yeah. That's the idea.
I'm about to get stopped out here too.
I think you get that 885 sweep and then it holds. Can you move your stop to like 880 or no?
Nah, because if I get stopped out here, then I'm just trying to like I'll see if there's one more opportunity, but I'm
Okay.
just really trying to take it by trade basis, honestly. I'm not even trying
Yeah.
to do too much right now.
Yeah. I need this bar to close good, dude. It's not close. It's not really doing what I need it to do. Don't engulf me here. Trying to just trust the setup, trust the trade. Decent, decent. How we doing,
Mhm.
chat? Do less, God bless. Love to see it, Lawrence. We haven't swept London highs yet, Tanner. Take it. All right, Kevin. I'm
All
in.
right, got stopped out here.
There's your 880, like I talked about. I fucking hate this, dude. Oh, this is probably gonna take me out, dude. Heavy and
Um,
aggressive,
let's
bro.
see.
God damn it.
Let's- So Luke said people are taking profits as people return to desk. Understood.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't really call what people are going to do.
There's that 880 sweep, dude. If we're gonna hold, have it hold here. This is where it should hold. We'll reclaim here.
Um,
Reclaim me. Reclaim me.
why
Reclaim
don't you
me.
guys scale in and out more and ring the register and be more dynamic and fluid with execution? Is it because of consistency? Because like even small, that's just not how we trade, Josh. To be honest
Yeah.
with you, well, that's not how I trade. Like me personally, like I'm cool with scaling in and out, but it's like I don't like too much activity. I don't like too much movement. You know what I'm saying? Like that will actually raise your expectations more on your trade. The more invested you are, the more movement you take, more activity you have. And I'm just trying to, hey, that's my entry, that's my risk. I'm gonna let it fly. I'm not trying to do too much. It's just one trade out of a million.
Mm.
That's just me personally.
Oh, I need this to reclaim here heavily and fast. That's what I need. This 15-minute bar is terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible.
No, that is ugly, bro.
Real
Jesus.
ugly, dude. I think I'm cooked on this, honestly. I need this to like reclaim right here and just hold up. This is like the last line of defense for it, kind of.
Hmm.
I love this QQQ or the NQ sweep though, and doing what it needs to.
Yeah, I'm watching. I'm playing it close. Brian said he just got short on ES.
Okay.
Fit his trade worked out. He
This
left
is
one
gonna take me
contract.
out.
That's a runner.
It's gonna take me out. It's already done. It's already
Good
done.
shit. Good shit,
Shouldn't
Fit.
be doing this. Shouldn't be doing this. Man, this was such a good attempt, bro. I fucking hate this. It's like
Order
really good
filled.
attempts 2 days in a row, not fucking working.
That's cool, bro.
YM's a bitch, bro. All you boomers are fucking whack, bro.
No, I don't like boomers. I'm
Fucking
gonna be
whack.
honest with you. I don't like boomers. They
Fucking
kind of
whack.
ruined it for all of us, and I kind of think that they should have their own government on like an island or something.
Dude. That was a good
I don't
setup,
even
dude.
think you should be over the age of like 60 and be president.
I know. Ah, that was a good setup, bro. It just fucking failed. Like literally extension, pullback. The 700 just fucking wrecked me.
Yeah, old people should have their own sovereignty.
Here's my NQ setup. I only have one fucking attempt left, basically. But now I gotta be even more patient. This ain't doing shit.
He said might make it down to 22 840s. Let me check that because
Yeah, that's
that
near
would
term
be
volume point of
interesting.
that is near term volume point of control. I do like the 22 840s. I don't really have a level here. I just have that little small sweep at 880s.
Hmm. Brian hit his TP1, holding runners. Good shit, Brian.
Nice work.
I'm glad that you actually like holding your position more, Brian. That's what's up.
Nice work.
Was it? Wait, hold on. Was it the fact that he wasn't holding his position, or he was waiting for too much confirmation? I can't remember
He's
which one it
waiting for
was.
too much confirmation. That's
Oh,
what
okay,
it was.
okay.
Yeah.
Rusty just lost my take profit. It's cool, Rusty. Buy some more, bro. Like I'm damn near about to lose my fucking XFAs right now because of yesterday's, because what I did yesterday. It's all good, bro. Just journal it, bro. Make daily trading goals. Get a one-on-one coach. Be a strong trader.
Yeah.
It happens, man. Feels bad, man. It's good, bro. It's cool. You gotta learn. You got one man, trader. We're so hard on ourselves as traders because we want to be great. But I think one key thing is to really like forgive yourself and be like, what does it take for me to like just lead us in the past and really learn from it and
Mhm.
you know go from there. Like you just can't hold
Yep.
on to that type of shit because you won't survive in this game if you hold on to those type of things, man. Like
Yep.
it's all good. Like I said, I'm literally hanging on by a thread with my XFAs online. Do I care? Not at all. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to do the work. Everything's going to work out long term. I know I'm a great trader. Shit happens. Give yourself some grace, man. Just keep working.
Oh, this action, dude. I mean, it's expectation wise, same thing. Usually bum
I'm gonna
that
try this.
DIA.
I'm about to try this short, and this will be my
Okay.
last. That's gonna be my last trade for the day.
I'm just gonna sit here and fucking wait unless I have something handed to me on a silver platter at this point. I'm sitting tight, waiting. That's all I can do. If we do get 840s, I will be interested down there. It's my next my near-term volume point of
Okay.
control. 835s, 837s. It's always good to look at like what's the scenario of what could happen, right? This YM, when I took it, I literally called it out. I was like, oh, I like this attempt here. Literally caught the bottom of this wick. It was like up for a second. But I was like, I don't like the 700 rejection. I could see this thing just fully dumping. And of course, you got to see the other side of it, right? You can't just be so laser focused on like one side.
Yeah.
So again, a little bit too much risk. I need to go with 2 contracts, not 3. And that way I have a little bit more cushion to work with. But this thing is just second day kind of continuation, just dying real weak. It also was on a ripper run though. It needs to pull back a bit, so it kind of makes sense.
Derek is short, walking away. Good shit, Derek.
Okay, nice.
Alex, what's happening, my guy? Payout secured on M&Q short. 2 combines passed. Love fading you guys. Good shit, Kyle. Good shit, bro.
Love fading you
Good
guys.
shit.
Kyle crushes it, dude. Fucking
Yeah.
Kyle's really good at shorting. That's like his favorite thing. So
Man, I wish I was strictly a short trader. It's like life must be good on that side. It's like everything just comes crashing down. It's fast and it's
yeah, but
expensive. It's
until the
like,
market goes only up, and then you're like, fuck, dude.
yeah.
you know.
Hmm.
Just another slow ass day.
Yep.
Oops. We're just chilling now, and just again, I'm only taking something if it's handed to me on a fucking silver platter.
That's respectable.
The good thing is I have a good amount of cushion in all my accounts. Oh my god, I just realized I didn't fucking. This is just one of my accounts. I didn't fucking connect these and copy trade them.
That's good.
That's
Get you
good.
down to $800.
Yeah, I know. That's actually a luck. Like a wow. Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. Do I connect them now? Is the question. Yeah.
If you're in a trade, it's gonna. Oh, that's another thing though. If you, for everybody to know, if you have not been copy trading and you're in the middle of a trade, do not try to connect the copy trading feature while you're in a trade. It'll close your position.
Yeah. Hmm. I think what I'm going to do is set this. I'm going to make this one. I'm going to go liquidate here, or liquidate and block 1,000. This one I'm going to do liquidate. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna go. What is this? 96. Follow these two. Okay. All right, it's like a brand new slate. Fresh slate, guys.
Nothing ever
Fresh day.
happened. We're just gonna pretend nothing never happened.
Nothing happened. It's a brand new day.
Yeah.
Brand new fucking day. I got no setup. I'm just waiting.
I like how the more you go into drawdown, the more patient you are.
Right.
Those are good traits to have.
Well, I just really don't have a setup right now. Like the level we're testing,
Hmm.
my level is either 900 or 835s. We're at nowhere near, I mean, a little bit close to 900, but not enough for me to work with right now. This isn't bad though, and this is what can be tricky, dude. It's like you can get these nice candles forming like this, where you're like, oh, it looks like it's gonna work. But if we're
Yeah.
not testing a real level or anything, it's like this is just noise and just the trade just doing what it needs to do. Like,
Yeah.
so if we get a clean reclaim of 900, and I can put my stop at like a decent point,
Hmm.
then I'm more interested in taking the trade long.
Stock market scientists, lockout boys, 320 across 7 accounts. Good shit. Base
Nice.
hits, my boy. Base
Good
hits.
shit. Good shit. Good shit.
Alex, he's in shorts. Here's his
Okay.
entries.
Okay.
Final TP is 809. Partials 837. Stop loss 921. Entry 93. Well, 893s.
Okay.
Pretty solid. So you're risking about 30 points to get about, what was that, 50 for the first partial?
Okay.
Or am I tripping? Oh, I'm looking at it wrong. Sorry. It's shorts.
I just started doing some
80
giveaways.
something points. That's pretty solid. 80 something points for final TP. Brian, TP2 hit, out 90% in position. Good
There we
shit.
go. Good shit, Brian.
Holding one contract, ultimate TP 6250s. Age low. Stop loss break
Okay.
even. Win-win. Good shit, Brian.
Okay.
Derek, Jesus, one of those good. Just consolidates when you enter a size down. I'm going to wait till the iron is hot. Didn't you say that you walked away?
He literally, yeah, you did just say that, Derek. What happened? Calling you out. Calling you out.
They just say you walked away. You just interrupted.
He did. He was like, you say I'm short, I'm walking away. We got receipts up in here. Don't forget, bro.
Right.
I'm short and walking away. Receipts. Receipts,
man. This guy.
Took shorts below VWAP 22,910 and 22,989. Took profit. Nice. I'm watching the trade off of your guys' screen. Okay, that's fair. LOL, keep it in control. We're just giving you shit, bro. Just giving you shit. Nice RTY bounce here of VWAP. Check it out. Check her out. Let me go like this so it adjusts accordingly. Look at this, dude. This is decent here. Kind of like this. Not gonna lie. Kind of like this.
Prince Aro, I love VWAP. Yeah, I need to get a I love VWAP shirt. Is that your shirt, right? No,
it's
full. No, yeah, that's your shirt.
Yeah. I got it. I'll get you one.
No, I'm saying they need to get Prince Aro.
Yeah.
VWAP shirt. Shadow
You
needs to
do.
get a I love VWAP shirt. Drop the
Yeah.
link. Get you guys a shirt. Go to strongtrading.com. Cop a shirt.
Strongtrading.com. Copper shirt is right. This is a nice little pop of VWAP here on RTY. That's for sure. I just don't really like this range. I don't know, dude. I just don't have a lot of conviction today. That's the thing. It's like, just like we talked about, there's not a lot of news. There's nothing really going on. I just don't have a lot of like, I'm not like excited to be like, oh, this looks like a great setup. I want to take this here.
Right.
I do think YM could maybe work here though. This sweep and reclaim.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. I don't trust YM right now either. Did it sweep here?
You have
No, it didn't
trust
even.
issues, bro.
I got a lot of trust issues on today and like after yesterday. I got a lot of trust issues right now, guys. A
You
lot
could
of
always
trust
lock out.
issues. No, I'm not a fucking pussy. I'm just waiting. I mean, I'll see what happens. Like, giving it a chance. But again, this range ain't it. What do we open here? 940 down to 870. Hasn't even 100 points. Not even 100
This isn't
points.
looking good for this NQ short. I might get stopped here.
Shirt that
I'm
says
waiting
I
though.
lock
It's
out.
still solid. It's still solid. This might be a retest. We'll fuck around and find out in a second.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
A lockout boy shirt would be crazy.
Lockout boys. I'll eventually make those. I have some funny shirt ideas in my notes I need to make. I wrote them down the other day. The shower thoughts in the shower. I'm like, that would be a funny shirt. This would be a good
You
shirt.
keep a notepad in your shower?
Yeah, in my shower, I keep a notepad. You know, bought a fancy thing on Amazon where I can, draw and stuff and take notes in the water. YM not really doing much for me here. Still like this RTY, dude. Not gonna lie. Don't like this mini sweep here and fail. Liking YM a bit more.
For the long?
Yeah, for the long. Just too far gone now, though. This is decent, though. Look at this.
Yeah, I think I'm about to get smoked on.
Yeah, I'm kind of liking.
Look as of late. Jesus.
If we reclaim 900, I'm looking to take NQ long. Not opposed to it. I am not opposed to it.
Yeah, NQ don't look bad for longs if it gets a little bit of confirmation.
I don't like this right here. I don't got a lot of conviction here. Glad you guys are hanging around for days like this. These are just tougher days, like yesterday and today. So it's like you kind of see us walk through thought a little bit more. This is looking a lot more decent. I kind of like this, dude.
Yeah, these NQ longs don't look bad.
What's the 15 look like? What are these bigger time frames? Oh, we got an Agun. Doji here. This ain't too bad. This ain't terrible. Ain't terrible. God, this YM looks good, dude. Retesting.
Yeah, I'm about to get smoked on right now.
RTY is working.
Getting cooked on.
Just waiting still. Patience, 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 my friends. Patience, patience.
Where's everybody at? Where's everybody at in their positions?
Yeah, how you guys doing? What's going on? How are we doing? Chat, fam.
Wham, bam, thank you, man.
Wham, bam, fam.
Will say he's waiting on NQ longs.
Yeah, can we get one more like push lower? I feel like we can get another push lower.
I don't even know.
I like this RTY. This is my favorite setup right now that I'm eyeing. Still this reclaim of VWAP here. This looks good. Came down, never broke this low. My stop would have to be 235 though. It's kind of big. I do like it though. I'm not against this. I'm not really against this right here. I think I'm gonna try this RTY long. I'm in.
That looks
Order
good, actually.
filled.
That looks really good.
Yeah, keep the stop at the low here. I'm gonna add one more.
Order filled.
All right,
That looks really good.
give me it.
And
See if we can aim for some higher price here.
send that shit.
Yeah, this is much more decent now. Little pop skis. Well, there's the rejection on NQ.
Mm-hmm.
But RTY and NQ are different. Small cap summer. Small cap summer.
Small cap summer. NQ hopefully has one more leg lower.
Small cap summer.
School's out for summer.
Okay. Give us the push higher. No bullshit. Small cap summer.
You never
If it
know.
does play out. 222s. One of my buddies just texted me right now. I see the text on the side of my screen. It says, I need to stop drinking and going on eBay. One of my buddies, he owns a gun company and he just like released this new product and he literally became a millionaire like literally overnight. It was crazy. And he's just spending his money on like collectible Lego shit on eBay. It's so funny, dude. I'm like,
eBay is so underrated, bro.
I'm like, at least this is what you're spending your money on. That's like not terrible. It could be worse.
Yeah, people need to put some more respect on eBay, bro.
Yeah. This is funny. Yeah, that's an ugly I don't like this now. This is rejecting IWM VWAP pretty well. I think this is actually the short setup. Yeah, this looks fucking awful now. Need this to hold here. I need this to hold here.
Yeah, that does look a little. Yeah.
I think
NQ's about to cook me.
It looks like the long's working now, actually, for NQ. It's trying.
No, it does look pretty bullish.
Fighting and trying. That's for sure.
It looks pretty bullish. I'm not gonna lie. Does look kind of bullish, my friends. Mario said, "Hey Lawrence, why the 2-minute chart?" You know, that's a good question. That's a really good question, bro. I don't honestly, Mario. It's like I've been using the 2-minute chart like since the beginning, like close to like 4 years ago. I genuinely don't know. I think the 5-minute chart, I don't know, bro.
1 minute's too much noise. 2 minutes
2 minutes
gives a little bit more clear. I like the 3-minute chart, dude. That's like one of my favorites.
3-minute chart is pretty solid too. I don't necessarily know why I chose the 2-minute chart, but I will say this, Mario, that when price is normally very volatile, you always kind of want to go to like a lower time frame for precise entries or an opportunity to enter, and then a tight stop, and then go to a higher time frame for a more generous profit target. So I am likely to go on the 2-minute chart, or 1-minute chart, enter, go on the 2-minute chart for confirmation, and then probably go like on the 5-minute chart or even the 15-minute chart for profit targets. So there's the concept, but why specifically the 2-minute chart? I do not remember what I read or what I learned 4 years ago to choose that. And I've always just been comfortable with it ever since.
These motherfuckers.
But I actually spend more time on the 1-minute chart nowadays. I'm a little risk taker, a little degenerate.
Things are shifting. in the sense of like a lot of these like buy setups just aren't following through or working. I'm trying to take mental note of that because this is what fucking cooks you, is just like being too glued to see. This is gonna fucking smoke me right here, dude. Are you kidding me?
No problem. No problem, Mario. I will wait for it to close above VWAP and Q.
Yeah, dude,
Understandable.
this is fucking done.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm done, guys. I'm done. I'm fucking done with this bullshit, honestly.
Yeah, today is
Fucking bullshit, dude. Like,
today's a lot.
oh my god, I fucking hate these past 2 days, dude. Fuck this.
Fuck this shit. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up real quick. So
Yeah, you pull up, bro. Everyone just watching me get fucking smoked. Over it.
chill.
Fucking
Chill.
over it.
I normally have a fixed profit target of 2R right here, but I want to go for a whole psychological level of 840s because my 2R is at 846. So I think we can make it to 840. And I think was it Fit that said 840s?
Yeah,
I think that's
835. 835s is the near term volume point of control. That's what I have on my chart.
Yeah, but I think Fit said like 840s earlier. I can't remember. Yeah, he said 846 is good. Yeah, 846 is good. I think I just wanted to go towards like a more psychological number, like 840 flat. But 846 is technically what I'm supposed to get out. So respect that. I'm going to set a sell stop for 3 con. Oh shit, that's sell stop. I'm tripping. See what I'm saying?
I
Buy
stop.
stop.
There
Limit buy.
you go. You should get 30. You'll get 35s, bro.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's go for 840s. I'll meet it in the middle if it gives it to me because this
it.
shit turn around. Ooh, start pumping. I'm gonna go to Kmart and kick a fat kid in the stomach. Jesus, Oscar.
Me
I think
too.
you'll go to jail for that. I'm not too sure. I think I think you might actually get arrested for that. Maybe. It depends on how fast you are. But you may get arrested for that. And then if you get arrested, then you can't join our streams in the morning.
That's
If
true.
you can't join our streams in the morning, we'll miss you.
That's
We'll
true.
continue to trade. We'll keep trading, but we'll miss you.
Man, that MNQ short earlier at VWAP right before 10 a.m. was really nice.
Look at this shit.
And the 921s. Yeah.
They're definitely gonna make you be patient before they give it to you. If they give it to you.
Mm-hmm.
If they give it to me, because Jesus, bro.
What a fucking pop, dude. Low liquidity bullshit, dude.
Bro. Kill it. Die.
Literally.
Die. Die. School's out for summer. Today is Tuesday. This is actually my busy day, bro. I'm not. Let's see what I have. Let's see what I have today.
Bounce here.
Where's everybody at in their positions? Let me get some updates. Keep me updated. Where we at?
Dude,
What's your outlook? What's your outlook of the market? Where's your positions? What we doing? Is everybody done? Am I the only degenerate still trading?
Dude, RTY, this happened to me twice in a row, bro. I'm gonna fucking. This is so
Let me
annoying.
see. While price reverses on me. Let me see what you're doing.
Look at this, dude.
That was a nice little sweep.
Look at this, dude. I literally have my stop here instead of the low. If I would have kept it here, I would have been fine. Okay.
I'm pretty sure NQ's about to fuck me.
It is bouncing pretty hard.
I mean, it is bouncing pretty hard. I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna hold the line.
I know you are.
I'm going to hold the line.
The line is being held.
The line will be held. Shadow, no position, up 2 Gs. I know that's right.
Nice.
Derek still in short. Hodl. Oh yeah, I'm definitely hodling. But it's not looking good.
I should have taken a 5-day weekend and not traded Monday and Tuesday.
That would have made sense.
That would have been nice.
Fit trader rejecting hard at 850s. I don't know. 850s look. Oh, you're talking about for sure. So yeah, okay. Maybe.
Damn, what a fucking candle so far.
Yeah. This doesn't look good. But
RTY looks good now. I'm trying. I'm gonna try this again.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Fuck you.
Understood.
Stop at the low.
Let me see what you got. while I'm slowly getting stopped.
Okay.
Okay, we're in drawdown. Nice. Almost a complete reversal on my end.
Crazy reversal, dude. Wow.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Small cap summer.
They trade you. Are you in a trade?
Yeah, I got back in RTY. Maybe I claim VWAP.
I got edged 2 times in the wrong position. In the wrong situation.
Pretty crazy pop here.
It is a pretty crazy pop.
It's just ridiculous, bro. I'm like, why do they gotta fucking... What I do like is they barely swept this, though, and it held. So this should, like, go now. All the way up towards fucking prior day high. That's what I want.
This type of shit is actually pretty frustrating to me because, listen,
I got edged
early today with 1 point and failed. And then I got edged at my PT today by 3 points, and then it failed again.
Yeah, it's really frustrating.
That's annoying.
Let's see this not fuck me now.
This isn't good. I'm about to get stopped here.
Yeah, this thing's gonna rip stick. It looks like this thing looks like
stopped here.
Yeah, right in the VWAP. Wow.
I think I'm about to go ahead and say I'm about to take a break for the next couple of days probably because this shit's starting to piss me off. I can feel myself getting mad, and once I start getting mad, that's when I've reached my mental capacity, and it's time to take a break.
I don't blame you. I got pretty fucking frustrated earlier. That's why I just had to like collect myself and be like, okay, what is really happening right now with price?
Mm-hmm.
And this RTY looks good now. Like, I think the problem is I don't have enough. We shouldn't break here. 405. I actually don't even have enough drawdown for that for the low a day. That's the issue here. Work. Just fucking go, dude. Just fucking go. Wow, what a fucking candle, dude. What a fucking candle so far. 15-minute, dude. Crazy. Not too bad.
So let me see where I'm at. Okay, well, I think I'm about to just go ahead and get rid of these accounts, honestly, because I tried.
You're gonna full send them.
Yeah, probably. Most
So,
likely, I'm going to full send them. I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait see if there's something left for me here, and if not, I'm full sending.
mhm.
Because
Like
there's no
this
point. It'll take me. Hmm?
this little comment right here. Sorry to interrupt you, but love to see you guys go through real emotion of trading, not let it seriously affect your long-term confidence, not switching strategies or over risking, also knowing when to lock yourself out. Yeah. Gotta know the strategy. That's the thing. And I think that's what's frustrating is like when your strategy like does work and it just like the conditions maybe aren't allowing it to work, or you get like swept like I just did twice basically. Damn, this candle's fucking crazy on everything. Look at this, bro. Holy shit.
That shit's about to pump.
This shit's pumping, dude.
Hmm.
I don't know if we can take yesterday's high though.
Derek, do you think trading back then was this hard, or do you think it's harder now? It's definitely harder back then. Half the motherfuckers didn't even have fucking candlesticks, bro. They was probably just writing prices down on a piece of paper and trying to figure out a pattern.
Well, nah, I think trading's harder now, dude, with like fucking algorithms and like all the fucking all this type of shit now. I think it's
I
different.
don't
I
think
think it's
so.
actually harder now.
There's no way it's harder now.
Dude,
Them guys,
people
bro.
used to be able to walk
They
into like the fucking into those pits and just like look at the price board and be like, okay, where are they going? Like, and they just knew.
I don't know, bro. I don't know, because it's like at least with the charts you can know if something's happening, but it's like they were trading straight dom, and then on top of that, it's like how long did it take for their orders to get filled? Number one, what was their spread? Number two, because I guarantee you their
Yeah,
spread was not like ours. Probably
yeah.
took their orders hella long to get filled, so now they're late in their entry.
Mhm.
And they don't have any type of any type of visual representation like candlesticks. They're just going off of DOMs and writing shit down. Yeah, no, I'd rather do
Yeah,
this.
I don't know. I guess
I'd
that's
rather
fair.
do this.
That's fair. Now the question is this NQ just sweep this little high and this is gonna die? See some bullshit like that, dude. I'm just accepting the outcome though. I've now accepted once I'm in a trade and it's like working, I just like can accept the outcome. I think it's like when I get like instantly stopped out or something, I get really frustrated because I'm like, Tanner, why did you enter there? Why'd you do this? Why'd you do that?
Yeah, getting stopped out immediately is like really triggering, bro.
Yeah, it's super triggering.
Because
And
it's like,
frust-
damn, I didn't even get a chance.
yeah.
It's like I didn't even get a chance
You
for
didn't even give me
anything
a
to
chance to
happen.
breathe, bro. Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
man. That shit's the worst. Charles, thanks guys. Lock out for me. Good shit, Charles.
Okay. 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 I don't know if we're gonna get yesterday's high that I want. That's kind of seems kind of aggressive, but it is the logical target up into this
Mm-hmm.
wick. That would be nice.
Mm-hmm.
Small cap summer. We might get 50, 56s, 57s. I might as well aim for this though. That's what's kind of hard.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait a couple of seconds. I'm gonna wait.
Mhm.
I need to wait for my signal, and then I'm full sending shit.
I really do want 2260. Should we hold it, chat? Should I go for the 2260? 15 points higher here in RTY. What do we think? What do
Do
we
you want
think?
the? Do you want the?
The thing is, I want that just because honestly, because I'm just like, I'm not gonna lie, I want to make the money back and then some. So I'm like, oh, 'cause I forgot my other account is down 800. So I'm like, oh, that would put me green on that account too, which would be nice.
The fuck?
This looks really good so far now, though. Like really fucking good.
Yeah, it does. I
It
mean,
looks
I think that
really
like if you want the
good.
responsible answer is, I would say personally, is right there where you had 2250s. I think that would
Yeah,
be the responsible answer.
yeah.
Um, I think that's kind of like the only answer I would provide is 2250s.
It makes sense why we slowed down here initially. This was the first candle right here was the retest of this lower structure. So now if we get through this, that's why I'm like, it should kind of come up towards right here, 56s and then 60s. I don't know. Do we just get one of those like rip your face off kind of reversals right now? I'd like that. I'd love that. I'd absolutely love that.
I bet you would.
Yeah, I know. Bet you would. And Q close above VWAP. Yep. It is back above VWAP after some fuckery. Let's see. Let's let her work. Let her breathe. Look at all these failed attempts to go lower here, right? This was the last little kicker. Let's go 30-second. You see these on micro time frames. Little teeny
It's
sweep.
ripping, bro.
Little sweep of this low. Holds. Boom. Straight to the highs.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Give me some more. Give me a rip your face off type move on RTY. I think 56 is the safe route. I do think so, my friend. School's out for summer. School's out for summer. The problem is this is such a big move already. It's like it's really hard to momentum wise now. It would have to be one of those moves where everyone's like, bro, are you kidding me? It's gonna do that. Which I'm cool with when I'm on the right side of it. Interesting. Yeah, this should seek out 60s ultimately. It really should. Just such a big move from here to here. 36 to 60. What's the fucking what's it called?
So you're going to 50s, right?
I don't know, man.
You're just letting it trade, huh?
I am letting it trade, honestly. I'm letting it trade. It's the problem is RTY once it catches a little momentum, and then once the momentum dies, it just really takes a long time to keep going. That's what I don't like. That's what I really don't like. So ATR is 41 points for RTY. It's pretty big. What have we moved since
Yeah,
overnight?
maybe I can look at my swing trades, make me feel better about today.
Yeah, you could do that. What was this low? Was it yesterday's low? That was yesterday's low. 40 points. Yeah, that would put us at 60s. Not impossible. Classic. Barely sweeps the highs and gets smoked. We're fully accepting the outcome here, though, fam. I'm not overthinking it. I'm not tripping on it. I expected some sort of pullback. It's like a straight up move. Highs. It's supposed to pull back here, honestly.
It is what it is.
Damn, deep pullback. A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
We're just chills in now. So where I cycle through all the other time frames. 15-minute. About to close in 3 minutes. 30-minute. This is really nice, especially if this can close up here. The hourly.
Mm-hmm.
Putting in this hamskis. Let's seek out up here. 4 hour. Not bad. Again, that 54, 55 area. 56s. And then the daily. Right?
What time is this? 10:43.
Got the reclaim here. Summer.
I'm waiting patiently to full send.
The fullest of the send. The fullest of the
Waiting
send.
patiently.
Guys, can you smash the like button? Can you subscribe, please? I'm almost at
Right.
500
Push us out.
subscribers.
Push
I'm
us
almost
out
at
there.
500. Yeah, I'm almost at 500 subscribers. I need that, please. It'd be great. And also, if you do trade with Top One Futures, the sale right now is one of the best sales ever, and it only lasts for the next like 3 to 4 days. It ends on the 11th. So check out Top One Futures. I'm gonna put my code in the chat.
It's on the
You guys
screen.
got to use the link. 55% off the pro accounts, which are intraday trailing drawdown accounts. So if you are used to trading Apex style accounts and you're cool with that, go for it. If you're not, and you're like, I don't like those, that's fine. You can trade the ones I'm trading right now that don't have the intraday trailing drawdown. Those are 35% off using my code. So what's cool also is Top One gives all these firms have codes on their site, but if you use my code, you get an extra 5% off. So
Because he's special.
yes, I'm so special. Let's do this. Let's go copy. Let's go here. Do we get cooked? Do we get cooked? Barely swept the highs here. Hope not.
School.
Here's the link, guys. Check it out. Check it out.
Jesus.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
Don't do it.
Oh my goodness. Is there
My
news?
goodness gracious.
Is there something you guys
Oh,
aren't telling me?
there has to be some sort of news or some bullshit.
Is there something you guys aren't telling me? Somebody go on Twitter. What happened?
Oh my God, no. Someone, oh my God, no. I'm telling you, dude, this is fuckery, man. A lot of fuckery.
Somebody go on Twitter.
Somebody go on Twitter, dude. Doesn't surprise me. Fucking subtle sweep of the highs to death, dude.
Yo.
Okay, bro.
Okay. Okay. I was prepping the full send, but you know.
I don't know. Well, I think this is where you could prep it. This is your off pricing, like it might like mispriced, where you could get a really good entry. If you're going for the long, it's right here. I'm telling you that much.
I'm scared though.
I know you are. Scared money don't make money. Pullbacks to VWAP.
Right.
I mean, look at this pullback to VWAP right here. I want to add to this, but I can't. I don't have any room.
Why don't you have any room?
My drawdown. Daily max loss. Oh, let's go. Come on. Give us a pump, dude. Give us some action. Give us something fun.
I need something.
I need some
I
dopamine.
need to feel something.
I need to feel something right now. Tariffs.
More tariffs
On
news?
truth. Yeah, some Trump news on tariffs. Some tariff stuff. Let's see. Trump on August 1st, tariff deadline. No extensions will be granted.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So basically saying August 1st is it. Like, that's it. That's it. We're cruising. I'm just sitting on the hands. That's why I don't move my stop. I mean,
I don't know
sometimes
what to believe anymore.
I don't know either. I just accept that some days in trading are really fucking frustrating, and that just is what it is. And it be like that. Man, look at this fucking dude, look at this bar, bro. Look at this hammer.
Mm-hmm. The ham skis.
Look at this ham skis right now on RTY. Small cap summer. Small cap summer. It's funny. I have like a good read on if RTY, if small caps are doing well also, because I have a bunch of buddies that trade small caps.
Mm-hmm.
And dude, one of my buddies, Danny, has just been crushing it. Like fucking like $30,000 days, bro. Just ripping.
Must be nice.
Yeah, he's a great trader. Great trader. I don't know what to believe anymore. So true, right?
It's true, man. I got trust issues.
I don't know shit about fuck. Come on, look at this pull back to VLOP, dude. That's so fucking nice.
Do we tank from here?
I don't know. This RTY is a divergence for sure. Stronger. I'm in the stronger name.
I think we tank from here.
Well, the thing is, RTY and IWM love news-based things. They move really, really aggressively. So this could be my only saving grace, where this tested here, it held, and then we get an insane ripstick back towards the highs and go for that ultimate target I'm looking for.
A ripper.
RTY loves news. Loves the news.
If this world was mine.
Next bar.
There you
Push
go.
it. Push
Let's
it.
go.
Push it. Push it. Push. Push it. Push it. Push. Push it. Push it. Push. Push and pee. Push it. Push it. Watch this. Watch this.
I don't even know anymore. I just kind of want to just get rid of these accounts because it just doesn't make sense.
Fresh.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
I feel that. Where are we here with this candle? 15-minute. Look at this. Another tail, dude. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I just feel like that was too impulsive of a move downward.
Yeah, that was very impulsive.
When that type of stuff happens, we usually recover, especially if we recover it right away. Like looks decent. Okay, about to take the highs here. Take it. Take it out. Take it out. Just go. Take it out.
It's easy work.
Easy work. That's light work. That's my warm up. That's my warm up. A few more ticks. That's my warm up. Push and press. There we go. A little retest of the highs. Keep going. We're back to break even, fam.
Do we go lower from here?
I don't know. We could.
Do we go lower from here?
On NQ. NQ is much weaker than RTY. That's for sure.
It's trading star, my wife.
Get ready for 3 to 4 year roller coaster. Yeah, dude.
Literally. I was going to talk about how epic his haircut is. Jesus.
That's the
my
truest.
wife says she'll buy. That's a 3-4 years of roller coaster. That's putting it nicely.
Wow, this thing's fucking failing, dude.
We go lower from here. We go lower.
Wow, maybe it does want 8. Maybe NQ does want 835s.
Maybe we go lower from here.
Wow. Oh yeah, this thing's getting cooked. It's getting heavy. Wow. Okay.
Jeez.
Okay. That's what we're doing right now.
Jeez.
Wow.
We go lower from here.
It's gonna run it. It's gonna run it, dude.
We go lower from here.
Wow. Here's 835s coming in on NQ. Can my stop withhold us on RTY? That's the question. Can this stop save the day?
And I'm long, bro. I just want to get rid of the account.
Yeah, I think we just swept it. It's not a bad attempt because I was really impulsy again. That's a move people chase, bro. Those impulse moves that people chase like that, they like get smoked all the time usually. I think we do get 835s though.
I don't even want to win this trade. That's why I
just want to get out of it.
I just want to start over. This at this point, these accounts are like a thorn in my side. Have you ever had like those accounts that like you just blow up and then you just feel a
Yeah,
great deal of relief? Like you're just like, thank God those
yeah,
accounts are
like
gone.
yeah,
Like
I got rid of
fuck.
that bullshit. Yeah.
I'm like, bro, these shits
Mhm.
can just blow up already. Please just get
Yeah.
out of my
Get out
way.
of my life. Get out of my
Please,
life.
bro. Just get out of my fucking life.
You got
I
5
don't want
minutes.
you here anymore.
This 30-minute bar, dude. I need this to close back up here. Be real nice if it does.
Like, please leave me
Probably.
alone.
Oh my god, dude.
Jesus.
All right, back into VWAP here on IWM.
I pray to God I lose this trade.
Are you long?
Yes.
Oh god.
Fuck. Like,
I don't
please
want you
just
anymore. Sorry.
I don't, bro. Like, just get out of here.
Oh, just fucking do some bullshit, bro.
Continue lower.
No.
Yes.
No.
Fuck, man. I want to be relieved of this thorn in my fucking side. Jesus. We're sinking. I'm about to add another con. It's not me, it's you. Literally, bro. I'm healthy, bro. It's not me. It's you. Like, please get out of here. Please. I don't want you anymore. Fuck.
Okay.
Glory, come on. Yes. Yes.
835s.
Get me out of here.
Wow. Wow, this has to hold right here for me.
No, it needs to die. Well, NQ, not you.
This needs to hold VWAP right here for me. Pulled right into it. Swept this low. This
Why
where
is it
holds.
holding?
This is where it should hold. Should I add here?
I'm adding because this shit is holding and I need it to go away till death. I want a
Order
new set of
filled.
accounts.
All right, my stop is now basically below this bar.
I don't even have a stop. I'm just ready. I'm ready.
If I was going to add anywhere, this is where it should be. So I added where I should add.
There we go. There you go. Oh no. Go lower.
3 minutes on this bar.
Watch NQ hit high day for Lawrence. No, right, bro. Like the one
Probably
time I'm trying to lose, bro. Like I really don't want these. These accounts are just so they just won't die.
push it to reclaim
I've traded
here.
like
2 minute.
traded like several times with very little drawdown. I guess I just have I don't know. I guess I did well, technically speaking, but
Mm-hmm.
this shit needs to die, bro. And it's not. I'm in profit. Okay.
This might be a really good ad for me. We'll see.
If that's going to be the case, I'm going for the moon.
Just just a balance day. I read this is just a bromance day. It's like
This is a bromance day.
those are bromance of us in pain. Okay, don't do this to me. Hold it.
If we're doing this, I'm going for gold.
Hold the line, baby.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Hold the line. Holdeth the lineth.
Watch this shit fucking rips.
I think
Because
it's gonna hold.
the market loves to see me get things I don't want to get.
Well, the market just loves to have people chase, and that move was so aggressive downward just now. That felt like when you feel that emotion of like, oh shit, it's going, I better catch this momentum. That is like literally when the move is ending, and then we're about to bounce
Yeah.
and rip the other way. So it's like that's why I wanted to add there as well, because I just saw that happening, and I was like, okay, if I'm gonna add anywhere, it's gonna be here. And look what's happening. Like, dude, look at
I'm
this
ripping.
fucking candle. Look at this bar, bro.
Like, do you guys see this price
Oh my
action the past two
god, this
days?
is
This shit is absolutely
crazy,
horrid, bro.
dude.
Like
This
yesterday, we
is
had Trump tariffs. We
crazy.
completely went off the rails. And then today, same thing. This is just like horrid, bro.
This is crazy. You know what's cool
Yeah.
now though? If this does work, I can go for my lower PT of 54s, which is up here. I can go for this. I might even edge it. I'll go 53s. Let's see if we can get this, gang. Can we get this? That's the question. I do like this. We'll sweep here and hold, reclaim. Right back down into VWAP on RTY. Look at this if I zoom out. Look at this bounce, dude. Almost to the fucking tick. That's decent. I'll take that setup all day.
We're in survival mode, everybody.
I'll take that setup
These
all
are the
day.
conditions. These are the conditions in which we survive
Mm-hmm.
until conditions change and we thrive.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Trust issues.
Trust issues.
Remember, we don't know
Wow.
what to believe. I really don't, nor do I care.
Dude, this is
Nor
looking a
do I
lot
care.
better for me now. This is starting to look decent. Let's get some alerts going. I'm gonna put I put alerts on my Thinkorswim. So when I hear it go off, I'm like, it just gives me that little dopamine rush of like, oh, we're going in my direction.
Bro, this dude Scarface Trades is really living a life. That's insane. This dude made 22,000 in 10 minutes.
Dude, that guy's a really good trader.
He is. Like he has like an 80% win rate with like a 2R.
Crushes it.
Like what are you doing, bro?
Crushes it, dude.
Like 22,000 off Tesla in 10 minutes.
Nuts.
That's insane, man. I'll be there one day when I'm trading 3 minis on average. On average.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm going for 965s.
I think I might get if we can clear this, bro, and clear fit, like I'm not looking terrible anymore. Like honestly.
I'll be right back. I'm going to get a granola bar. I'm starving.
Go get it. Go get the granola. Now you guys are stuck with me. So we're cruising still on RTY, looking decent. I love to cycle through all these time frames. Let's see his 30-minute reclaim this wick. Oops. Got these going. Got these going. It's looking pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie. Like when I'm watching price, again, these little failures down here was like my first test. Now sweep the high, come back about halfway, 50%, and into VWAP, sweep this low, then reclaim and hold. It's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad. The problem is the time. It's already 11 a.m. So we're getting close to that. Like, is this gonna keep drifting higher type deal, or what's gonna happen here? So we got NQ retesting VWAP right now. Needs to get back through this, and it's at 900. Could be tricky, but so far, like this is looking decent. It is looking decent. I'm not against it. Not against it. Just gotta hold. Also put in a nice higher low. Yes, it did. Did put in a nice higher low. Let's kind of go just let it trade. Keep my stop exactly where it is. Let the damn thing trade. I need this to go higher, though. I really do. I really, really do. Classic fuckery. I don't like it's chopping around VWAP because it is. I just don't like the time it is right now. Come on, dude. Just give me some fucking follow through. Can't force it, but
I'm about to add to my position.
just comes out the woodworks. About to add to my position.
I'm really about to add to my position, bro.
I love
I'm
it.
about to add.
I love it.
Genuinely.
I love it. How's a 30?
I
When in
added.
doubt, zoom out. All right. He added. Yeet this higher. Yeet it.
I added some more.
Oh, keep yeeting it. Okay. Based on, I think this thing rips higher, bro. Like realistically, look at it. Good NQ. Let's go. Let's do some analysis together. I'm serious. So
Let's do it.
okay. So you initially have the open, right? We die. We kind of just like cruise down lower. We have the big pump. We have the first sweep. Traps everyone on the news. Then it dies, quote unquote, but we barely sweep this low. And you have one more failed attempt to go lower here on this bar. Now, this should be the final like fake out manipulation, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And this should start to go higher and come towards 23,000s, in my opinion. That would make sense.
You're right.
That would be logical as fuck. Like,
whenever I see that, like kind of like that inverse V shape kind of pattern, and then we begin to, yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
like,
I agree with your analysis here.
Especially because this is the first move down, back, and then up, sweep, trap everyone at high a day, come down. And the fact that we didn't, like, the fact that we had this failed attempt to go lower here, right? Like, even, what is this 30-second? Look at this. Like right here, one more failed attempt. This little hold right here, this is the money signal, or it's like failed to go lower here. You had like a sweep here, failed to go lower, reclaim. Get long here at 67, put your stop at 37. Target 23,000. Target 23,000. That's what I'm liking to see here. So look, this RTY is even a bit nicer.
Show your screen, Lawrence, and reason for adding. Okay, I'm about to take screen real quick.
Okay. His reason is aggression.
Yeah, that's literally my reason. So initially, I really just wanted my accounts to die. So pretty much I entered like perfectly at this bottom right here. It's pretty much the same analysis that Tanner's talking about, right? So I get a big push up, big dump, final sweep, right? So I entered right here at 848s, right? And we get this huge push up, and then, you know, this is the degenerate 30-second chart, right? I get this pretty much like a Lawrence signal where I get this basin area, a nice push, one more pullback, right? Kind of like a retest. Like this almost retest this basin area right here. You see that? And then once we break past this little neckline right there, I went ahead and added. And now, you know, my stop loss is going to be, my stop loss would be right here. Oh, hold on. Sorry. My stop loss will be below this impulse candle of anything. So that's why I added, because I saw my entry model on a smaller time frame after we already got this big push up when I had this great entry down here. So I have room to add to my position.
The alarms are going off. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up. Give me this. This will be the greatest fucking thing if this ends up fully hitting my TP.
Did that not answer your question, Pat?
Yeah, sorry, I'm yelling and yapping.
Clear this up. So the old Lawrence model here. All right. Boom. Applause. Below impulse.
We're cruising. Damn, we're
This is
fucking
the
cruising.
entry model.
Give me another alert going
Lawrence
off.
model.
Give me another alert to go off, baby. Give me another alert.
Actually, let me screenshot this real quick.
I feel like I'm in the driver's seat now.
I really don't give a fuck.
I need NQ to rip right here. Take the whole market with it. Team push. Team push. Team push. Ooh, you got ES closing above VWAP on both VWAPs. SPY and ES. Nice.
Hustlers don't stop, they keep going. They keep going. They keep going. Yeah.
What a morning. Nice and
It
patient.
could go all the way up there.
It's gonna go to 23,000, bro. I got a
Yeah.
fucking crystal ball here.
I'm pushing that shit. I don't give a fuck. They can stop me out. I don't care, honestly. It's either I'm going for everything or I'm not getting nothing at
I want
all.
the whole fucking kitchen sink.
Bro said I want the whole kitchen.
want-
Daddy need a new pair of gators.
Daddy, new pair of gators.
Daddy need a new pair of gators.
Let's see, bro. We are 4 points away on RTY. But as
Office
you guys
is
know,
flooded. What does that mean? Put me on. I don't know everything.
office
I'm
is
very.
flooded.
I don't know too much about technicals. That's why Tanner is like a great balance for me because I don't know much about technicals. He teaches me.
You're good with chart
What is
patterns.
office is flooded?
I don't know what that is.
Oh,
It's probably some sort of saying. Okay.
yeah, I am good at chart patterns because I'm good at spotting patterns in real life. We sweating. What does this mean? What does this mean?
We sweating.
Like, oh my god. Are you saying that there's a lot of
Gen
orders
Z?
or something? Is there a lot
Are
of
you
orders
Gen Z?
somewhere? Like, what do you? I don't know this lingo, bro. I'm
I'm
unk. I'm about to be unk, bro.
about to be unk. Keep
Is
pushing.
this
Dude.
where we fail?
This is
Gen Z has
sitting
entered
right.
the
I
chat.
think it's just fighting. Gen Z has entered the chat. Yeah,
I can
think
tell,
we're just
bro.
fighting VWAP.
I can tell Gen Z has entered the chat.
We're
Jesus.
just fighting VWAP right here on
God.
NQ. No, this goes, dude. This goes to 23,000.
It better.
It better.
It fucking better. I'm about to add to my position.
I would wait.
I think I'm gonna add.
I wouldn't.
I don't care.
All right. Do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Maples, how's everyone doing? We got cooked initially. We're in some longs right now though. So we might recover it.
I'm getting smoked on, brother.
We might recover it. We'll see.
Nor do I care.
We shall see.
The infamous 30-second chart.
The infamous. The grandest.
I added.
Let's go.
I added more to my position.
It is bad. It's a VWAP battle royale right now.
I don't even give a fuck. I want these accounts to go bye-bye.
If this hits TP, will you how much will you like recover from it?
1,300. I'll actually be break even. I'll be back where I started.
Okay. 22,970.
TP.
Oh, you can go for 23,000, dude, for sure. You should if this ends up holding right here,
Mm-hmm.
you could easily go for 23,000, I think. You're already going for the goal. Why are you going to cut yourself short 30 points? Might as well.
That is true. I'll scale out. I'll scale out at that point because that means I'm really in it.
In it to win it, baby.
Mm-hmm.
In it to win it. Poor YM is just not really doing it. NQ is closing below VWAP and still fighting it. It's trying. It's really, really trying.
I really don't give a fuck. I want this shit to go, Tanner. I'm not lying.
I know. I want it to go.
I added more.
Okay.
I don't want these accounts, bro. So if it's going to win or if we're going to hit, we're going to fucking hit. If not, I don't care.
It needs one manipulation one way or another. Just based on where it is on the chart.
Where we at, chat? Are we going long? We going short? Where we at?
How we doing? How we doing?
I need updates.
Still hanging out at 900. Yep. 900 is the fancy key level.
There we go.
900
you
is
guys about to see a blow. You guys about to see a blow up. What's the thing called?
No.
That box that pops up?
Oh, like the deactivated?
Yeah, the deactivated box.
Lawrence has now entered full port territory.
Full port territory.
I might hold this 900 right here, bro. You might be stuck with them.
Territory.
You might be stuck with them.
Anthony Bravo, why are you saying you don't want the accounts? Oh, because bro,
go.
like
we're dinging.
Because bro, like I'm so down on these accounts. It's like a thorn in my side, and I just want to take it out. I just want to take it out at this point. It's really a thorn in my side.
RTY 2250 now. I'm 3 points away.
Really? Let's pull you up.
Throw me up there.
Nice.
We're going. We just do we get it?
Gone.
Do we get it? The 2250 is going to be a little challenging area. We got liquidity right here at 2251. 2250 is just going to be a psych level in general.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to pull back at all. It's probably going to pull back here a little bit. Go a little sideways. I'm going to hold this though, and just I'll look and I'll go have my whole last day and just let this go. Ooh, nice little push here. Come on, keep pushing.
There you go. There we go. 3 more points.
3 more points is a lot though for RTY. That ain't 3 ES.
Yeah, I could tell. There's a big space. That's a big,
that's space.
A huge space for 3
every tick. Every tick is 0.1. It's like 30 ticks, 35 ticks, something like that. 40 ticks. It is 15-minute though. Looking really nice close here. Keep cycling through the bigger picture time frames. Build me some confidence. Really logical target here. Top of the structure.
There we go. I see you guys on the other side.
Did it take you out?
It's about to.
No, it might hold.
I hope it does not.
Guys, reverse psychologing the market.
I'm not. I really want these to go away. for good.
Our RTY is starting to turn here a little bit. This little spring candle here. Not a fan of that. Makes sense at 2250s. That's where it would do it. Yeah, getting weak here.
Mm-hmm.
Getting a little weak here, fam.
Yep,
Not a fan.
I am.
Not a fan. Not a fan.
I'm free.
You're free. You're out.
I'm free. Come on. Come on. I'm free. There we go. Come on.
Dude,
Come
this
on.
VWAP rejection on NQ, bro.
Come on.
2250 rejection. I hate this little teeny candle right here. Honestly, this little
Oh
teeny
my
candle.
gosh. Is it really holding?
Didn't take you out.
No. Now
It's
it
not
is.
over
There we
yet.
go. Okay, there we are. Okay.
Now you're fully out.
No, not yet, but it's very close.
Pretty decent rejection here, dude. Really ugly 5-minute bar on RTY. I don't like this.
There we go. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. I think I'm good though. It's gonna take me out.
Oh my god, this is so funny. Oof. Ugly RTY action there. I can hold this, dude. Just retest the structure and hold. Retest the top of this structure and hold.
Is it gonna free me? Yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Took
Okay.
you out.
Yep. It's GG's, fellas.
GG for Lawrence.
Yeah.
Okay, let's not be so aggressive here on this pullback. Come on. Dude, NQ might fully fail this here. It rejected VWAP really, really fucking well. I'm not gonna lie.
If this fails, this is gonna tell me everything I need to know about the market, bro. The current conditions.
It rejected
tough.
VWAP pretty fucking well, dude. I'm pretty worried, honestly.
Ooh, this shit is coming down.
Oh my god, dude. Come on, bro.
This shit's coming down, bro.
That's the problem, is since it didn't get through VWAP, it's gonna be like a ceiling until it does. This is why I like to use VWAP. It works good. Look at this on NQ. Look at this, dude. It's like a fucking ceiling, bro. Look at these closes. Yeah. Reject, close below, short. Yeah. Fuck me, dude. RTY looks awful now. Pulling back so aggressively. Wow. Dude, just no. Come on. Please. Just don't do this to me today. Oh my god, dude. Why does this have to happen?
Mm-hmm.
Not today. Not today, Satan. Not today, Satan.
Not today, Satan.
Not today, man. No. Not today. We'll give this about 7 more minutes until 11:30, and then we're gonna cut it. I'm still gonna just hold this, see what happens. I'm gonna update you guys on Instagram, but I don't want to just sit here while this because this could fucking take forever.
It definitely can.
It could take forever.
For sure.
Yeah, RTY, I called that out. I was like, oh, I hate this little 2-minute like engulfing candle or that doji. I hated that 2-minute doji. I saw that in the moment too. This little fucking failed attempt here. We'll spring into 2250. That's what's bullshit, dude, about like these pullbacks. It's like literally it takes 4 minutes for it to pull back 5 points, but it takes fucking 15 minutes to grind up fucking.
Yeah.
So annoying.
Escalator up or stairs up, elevator down.
Yeah, dude. Fucking every time.
Yeah, I think I'm going to take a trading break. This is just I'm probably gonna take the rest of the week off. I'll hop on here with you, but I'm most likely not gonna
Okay.
trade, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tough couple days, dude.
Yeah, and it's not. And honestly, I will tell you, like, there's certain points that was my fault. Like, as far as like over leveraging yesterday, that was my fault.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
like situations like today, where I leveraged completely fine, setup was there, executed fine. Yesterday, I was over leveraged, but I executed fine. Like my setup was there. There was no impulsive trading
Yeah.
whatsoever, and the market is just going running rampant. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and take a break. And that's we're just gonna wait this out. I'll probably trade next week.
Oh my fucking god, dude. I think this is gonna fail now. $22.50, bro. You couldn't fucking break out of it. Like literally perfectly $22.50 reject. That's where you got to do it. That's where you got to fucking do it. This
What's your
volume's
risk?
picking up
What's your
here,
risk on
dude.
this?
Fucking max daily loss, dude. $1,000 total.
Why
I'm
don't you
risking
move it to break
400
even?
because that's not invalidated yet. It's VWAP's right there. I can't.
Okay.
God, dude, so fucking annoying. This shit looks so cooked, bro. NQ just looks so heavy.
Yeah. Ooh,
Fucking
NQ
bullshit, dude.
NQ looks horrible.
NQ
Jesus.
looks like it's about to fucking fall off a cliff, bro.
Jeez.
Oh my god.
That shit does not look
And
good,
this is
bro.
getting little to no buying right here.
You might be good here. Okay.
I don't know, bro.
Okay.
I'm just fucking mentally already over it.
I understand. Okay, this might be the bounce back.
We'll see.
Mm-hmm. Be the bounce back.
This fucking manipulation is just crazy, dude. RTY looks too good of a trend to like fail though. That's the problem. Like this is just like looks good. This failed attempt down here looks so good. I'm like, dude. Give me a trend line, magic line. Right here. Watch this. Bounce here. Bounce it.
It just looks like it's about to break and hold.
Now it's gonna bounce.
It just
Bouncing.
looks like it's about to break and hold.
30-second bounce right here. Look at this. Right on the trend line.
30-second.
30-second trend line bounce.
30-second trend line bounce.
Fuck, dude. Come on. Oh my god, dude. I fucking hate these past 2 days.
Brother, why the fuck would you not trail when you're so close to target? Because that's not his target. We're
Not
not
my
trailing.
target, you fucking nerd. I don't even know who
God,
said that.
I'm so scared of
Oh,
losing
it's
money, and I
Mish. Yeah,
want to
it's
trail.
Mish. Even worse, it's Mish.
Who's that?
Mish. No, Mish is the homie. Because honestly, that's just like I don't trail that aggressively. I like to go for full targets, dude. Like that's just how I trade personally.
Yeah,
So
if that's your target and that's your plan, you stick to the plan.
yeah, I'm just sticking to my plan, bro.
We're
They got
not
bigger targets
pussy.
up here. That's how I fucking trade. That's funny that it was me. That's
Bro said 30 trend line is nasty.
30-second trend line is
That is
nasty, bro. I know.
30-second trend line bounce. Don't forget the bounce, bro. 30-second trend line
know.
bounce. That's my signal to enter full port.
My
Full
bad,
port.
man. No, you're good, bro. Honestly, it's just been a frustrating past 2 days, and
Oh,
this setup was so good. It was so fucking good, and just the market just decided to fucking just destroy me. Like, this was looking so good. I literally sat through it so fucking patiently, waited, and honestly, part of the reason why I didn't take profits up here or sooner is because I was already red on the day, and honestly, I'm being greedy, like 1,000% just being greedy. Nothing else to it besides that. So that's it. I'm just being fucking greedy, and oh god, fuck this trend line. Fuck that fake line, dude. There's a reason why I only scout. See, this is psycho though. Only scout for 5 to 10 points.
Yeah, no, that's nasty work.
That's nasty work.
5 to 10
sure.
points.
I'm
Jesus,
looking
bro.
for.
Get more
I'm
than
looking
get.
for.
Please, you deserve more than scraps. Like, you deserve more
He's
than
picking up the
scraps,
crumbs.
man. Picking up the crumbs. Jesus, man.
Picking up the crumbs, dude.
Jeez.
Oh, God. Right back into IWM VWAP right here. Dude, we get a pop.
There it is.
Give me it. Fucking actually go, though, please.
Bro said, I'll take the crumbs, low calorie diet.
Guy's shredding. He's cutting.
He's cutting. It's summer, bro. He'll take the crumbs.
Oh, man. I don't have a lot of conviction in this anymore.
I got a lot of conviction in you, Tanner. Okay? And that's all that fucking
Thanks, man.
matters.
Thanks, man. Someone's bullish on me. That feels good.
I'm definitely bullish on you, bro.
Look at this 3-minute hammer. Let's engulf
You're a
it.
blue chip, Tanner. You're a blue chip.
I'm a blue chip. Man, we got some blown accounts in here.
You're not a small cap.
I'm not a small cap. No.
Yeah.
Damn, Will blew his account. Sorry, dude.
It's cool. I blew I just blew 5 of them. I
You did
literally
what
just blew
you
5
did.
of them on
You
live
did.
in front of everybody.
Yeah.
Bold. It's okay. Who's that? You said Will? Who's that?
Yeah, Will in the chat.
Oh, that's Will?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, bro. I just blew like 5 in front of everybody. It's fine. You know, as long as you learn from it. And you have a profitable system. Don't go blowing accounts and you don't have a profitable system. That's not fine. That's not fine at all. Not okay.
How are these bigger time frames looking? 15. Oh god, look at this fucking 15-minute bar, dude. It's awful. Pretty awful.
Oh my god, Will. Bro, I was up 1,300 and watched the tariffs fuck me. That happened to me yesterday, bro. Yeah, facts. That happened to me yesterday.
Yeah.
I was almost at TP and then tariffs happened and stopped me out, bro. Like, it was so crazy. That happened to me. You are not the only one, Will. It's cool, bro.
You ain't alone.
Yeah. Lawrence, when will you redo the Combine to XFA challenge? Want to follow along with you. So I'm going to make a YouTube video today, pretty much explaining how I blew up the combines, everything like that. And then I'm going to buy more. And then I'm just going to keep doing it, bro. Like, it's every pretty much when I drop a YouTube video Monday through Friday or Monday through Thursday, that's all it is. That's going to just be the challenge. So if I blow up 50,000 accounts, you better be there watching me.
50,000 accounts. Does this follow through? I don't know. This looks like a ticking time bomb, kind of. But I will say, I like to say objective and stuff like this. The really objective piece of information is we keep holding VWAP on the pullbacks. And support stays support till it's no longer support. So I am going to try to lean into that, not overthink it.
You're right.
Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Little push. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
I actually want to get to a point. I need to figure out how I'm going to do this because we do live stream, but in my YouTube videos when I'm tracking my progress from combines to XFA to live, How do I want my YouTube videos to also include my actual trading, like from the live. Like, should I just, but that's so much work. I would have to like snip
Yeah,
out this live and then cut
yeah,
them
you're gonna have to do
together
that. Yep,
and then put it
yep.
into the trading video every single day.
That's what you'd have to do,
That's a lot of work, brother.
or hire an editor to do it.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm posting Monday through Thursday, so it's kind of like, are they going to
Yeah,
have it back in time?
probably not.
Yeah, I'm just going to link the live. I'm going to link the live in the description. Fuck it.
Yeah,
If you want to see it, then you can just see it. And probably do like a little timestamp, right? So link the live and then
yeah,
timestamp.
that's what I would do. We're not dead until we're dead, ladies and gentlemen. That's for sure. That's for
Yeah,
sure. If this
and
does come back
trading.
and hit my target, Mish, if you're still in here, I'm going to say, that's right. Luna!
Fellas, what
Luna
up,
in the
bro?
house. It's good,
What up,
Luna.
dog? What's up?
What's going on? I'm down 600. Looking to make 1,800. Let's see it. It might take some time, but that's what we're trying to do. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I'm just literally just trading the setup. And the setups are we're holding VWAPs. We're looking good. Had some failed attempts to go lower. I liked that. RTY is definitely a little bit different than NQ or ES. I don't like that wick. I don't like this wick. I don't like this wick. I will like it if we engulf it, though. Can we engulf it?
All right. So
Run it up, chat.
I'm going to look at, I think my next call
Yep.
is at 12. So I'm about to hop off here so I can get a little bit of recoup time before I start talking all day.
Okay. Yeah. Go do you. I might hang out for a second longer. Maybe just keep the stream going. You guys will be stuck with me.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll be back tomorrow. I can't promise you that I'll trade. I probably won't. I need to take a little break.
But you can hang out with me.
And I can just hang out with you and support you.
That's good. That helps.
All right, chat.
Yeah.
Be easy. Take it easy on Tanner. Tanner.
Don't
harass the people that take their time out to come and see us, bro. Please.
Mish, I'm hoping it hits your targets, man. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. I hope it does
All right,
too. Later. See you, Lawrence. Be pissed sitting in the shit. Yeah, it's been really annoying. RTY is fucking a bitch, but it's been strong. Like, it's out of all the names recently, it's been doing pretty well, which is surprising. I really think RTY is gonna have a nice little run this summer. I keep saying small cap summer. So yeah, you guys can just harass me. Luna, RTY. Yeah, this is the Russell. That's what I'm trading right now. We may or not be here to harass Tanner. That's fine. You guys can harass me. You guys can harass me. All you want. All you want. You can harass me straight to the bank if this hits fucking TP. That's what you can do. All right, this is your chance for all you to ask me questions now. Because I'm just going to sit here. While I watch this hopefully work. I'm just not built for watching my P&L dance back and forth on a greed trade going tilt recipe for me. Yeah. Honestly, it's just, for me, it's, I don't know, man. Like, I actually don't take too many trades anymore. I take like 2 to 3 a day max. Recently on these streams, it's been like 1, if not 2. But I go for like, I'm going for like 60 points in NQ, 70 points in NQ. I'm just sizing like 5 to 8 micros, sometimes 10. And like, that's how I've just been kind of doing it. But I'm just looking for like my sidewalk entries, as Mario used to talk about, Mo. But we're cruising. Not too bad. Not too bad here. Wow, we got a lot of people on Twitter today. 445. It's crazy. 500 y'all. Thank you guys. Much love. We're still kind of just dancing here. This could really take some time. So honestly, I'm not going to lie. I might cut the stream. And then I know I said I was doing that earlier. Let's see if this gets towards the highs. I'm gonna give another like 5 minutes. This 30-minute. If we engulf this, I think I'm smooth sailing. I do believe I will be smooth sailing if we engulf this. So starting to look much more decent. That's for sure. Yep, this is great right here. I feel 1,000 ways trading the same chart, different strokes for different personalities. Yeah, exactly. Just whatever you like. I'm not again. If you like scalping 5 to 10, all power to you, bro. Whatever works for you. And that's like something that I'm really big on with everyone trading. It's just like what works for you, right? Kyle's fucking sniper, and it's I can't really just do that shit, dude. Like I would rather sit through the trade and just let it do its thing, and that's just how I am. So it's different, much different, much different. Starting to look a little bit better here. Markets are starting to recover. NQ coming back up towards this 900, which has been a tough area. But if we can get through that, hopefully that gives a little propulsion to everything else. We are here. We are here, Brick. Look at this 30-minute engulfing now. Looking a lot better. Looking a lot better here. Maples heading to work. Peace, brother. Peace. Wow. This is like so let me show you guys this. Maybe this will help you. Where is it? The master grid. The big hoss. The big hoss. Okay. So IWM here. This is what I was looking at in this corner a lot. Look at all these holds of VWAP, right? Tons of closes above. So even here, when we did fucking puke back down, we ended up just closing above VWAP still. We're holding it here too. I like these little failed attempts to go lower here. As you can see, this is the strongest name of the bunch, right? This is the only thing sitting above VWAP actually. ES still below, NQ still below, YM just shitting the fucking bed. That's also why, in terms of relative strength, this thing is stronger. This has a more potential to go higher, in my opinion, because it's the only name above VWAP. So whenever I'm looking up here on the side, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this master grid and trying to like make decisions based on that. So that's a big thing I like to do is just kind of focus on like what is strong, what has edge. And that's why you guys going to see me hopping around between RTY, trading YM, trading NQ. It really just depends. It's like it depends on the setup, depends on what's going on in the market. And overall, IWM has been stronger. So it's like that's why I've been focused on it. So let's go back to the action. Go back to the action now. Okay. Hi, bro. One question here. Do you trade ETFs like the Russell if you have conviction to go long? Thank you for doing lives. Yeah, I think that's what I just talked about. Maybe that comment came in after. But it really just depends, again, on the setup, what I think is stronger, what I think is working, what I think is going on. That's why it's like I don't recommend it for a lot of people because it does take understanding the personality as well of the actual name. Like RTY and YM trade very different from NQ, right? And as you guys even know, NQ trades different than ES. It's like NQ is much more aggressive. They all kind of have different unique personalities. So understanding how they work and what they do, and like what kind of scenarios or situations cause them to move in certain ways, really just kind of builds edge. And that really, there's not like a secret to that. It's just screen time. It just takes practice, man. Like there's nothing else to it besides just like I've been sitting here every day doing this for going on 6 years now. So it's like, I get screen time. I know, oh, this should happen here. This should happen here. And there's even scenarios too. We went over it yesterday where I'm like, I'll literally say out loud, I'm like, dude, I don't know what the fuck's going to happen here. I'm like, this action's confusing. Like I'll like say stuff like that all the time. So, but it's like, that's just kind of what you got to do is be honest with yourself. And then when you understand when you have more edge versus not, that's when you put risk on. So this is looking much nicer here now. Starting to engulf this bar. We're getting really close to the top. How's the 15-minute look? Starting to engulf this bar. This looks even better. Getting there. Guys, check out Top One Futures if you haven't. That's what I'm currently trading on 3 accounts. I do trade the instant funded accounts. I don't use the pro accounts. Some people like the pro accounts. The pro accounts are the ones you can do 9 accounts on. The promo I have at the bottom of the screen here, I copy trade up to 9 of them. If you like intraday trailing drawdown, and I like put that asterisk on there for everyone. If you don't like it, intraday trailing drawdown, that's fine. You can try the ones I do. I don't really like intraday trailing drawdown, not my personal thing, but some people are good at it. Some people, you know, if you're like Mish in scalping, you know, 5 to 10 points, you could probably handle those accounts pretty well because the drawdown won't hurt you too much because you're taking gains really, really fast. But if that's not you and you like to hold positions longer like I do, I prefer these instant funded accounts. So they're still 35% off, which is really nice. So really good deal. That deal ends also on the 11th. So guys, go ahead and check it out. I do have a link here in the chat. I'll throw it in one more time so you guys can use it. Code strong. Code strong. We are looking decent. Still looking decent. I hate being in trades this late. So I'm gonna go make food and shit. Got some calls later. Just letting it play out. Letting it do the thing. Letting it do the thing. Let's see. I still can't do an intraday trailing drawdown. Banked a bunch of my funded TPTs with that shit a few months back. Yeah, like I've bonked a bunch. Yeah, dude, I've blown TPT accounts so often. Like honestly, like it's because they're side accounts for me. I just don't really care. These are the ones I care about, these top ones, and like that's why I trade them live in front of everyone. I am pretty good about my risk on them and pretty smart with it. But yeah, those the intraday trailing drawdown is hard. And my problem is with those TPT accounts is I always just I just want to full send them on the first day. That's my problem. I like always want to full send them on the first day just to get above the buffer. And that's what I did recently. And I ended up taking out about $5,000 from that account. So that was cool. But then literally yesterday I went on tilt and I blew it. So I was like, okay, well, there goes that. I do have a live account with, it's literally supposed to be ready today or tomorrow with Tick Trader. And it's a $15,000 of live account. Like full on legit. They pushed me to live. So I'm excited to trade that. I don't even know if I'll trade that live here though. I might just use it for Asia session. But they gave me a drawdown, a daily max loss of 2250, which is pretty big. So I'm like, huh, okay. It's a good amount to work with. So we'll see what I can do on that. Might try to run that up to like 50 grand or something if I can. That'd be pretty neat. Okay, we're starting to get some good movement here on NQ. Getting the push back up towards the 900s. ES is back through VWAP. SPY is back through VWAP. Let's get the follow through in RTY. This is the stronger name of the bunch here. Like I said, that's what I'm looking for. Luna Raid. Dude, Luna, what's the Luna Raid thing? Must be some YouTube lore I don't know about. Looking good. I honestly just want this trade to hit so I could be like, that's right, Mish. You came in, tried to troll me right away. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just giving you love, bro. Just giving you a hard time. But it will be a cool thing to like talk about my strategy and just the sense of like, you know, you're like, why didn't you trail it here or do this or do that? And I'm like, because I'm letting it play out. Letting it play out. Go ahead, spit in my face. That's what she said. That's exactly what she said. Keep it going. Almost back to the highs here. Almost back to it. Almost back to it, my friends. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's see if we can get it. I am going to hop off at 9 o'clock my time, which is 12 o'clock for you Eastern folks. 12 more minutes. So let's see if we can hit it in the next 12 minutes. Let's see. To be fair, I've bonked some accounts on stream before trading my strategy and sticking to my rules. So I can't talk shit. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's just, dude, we're all prone to blowing accounts. Like, it definitely happens. Once the buffer gets big enough, I think it's obviously a little bit easier not to do it as long as you keep your risk in line. That's like with these 3 accounts right now. Like, dude, these ones have been crushing it. I think my buffer on these accounts right now is like 12,000 each or something like that. I've been regularly taking payouts. So, you know, it's just once the buffer gets big enough. Like yesterday, it did suck. I hit my daily personal max loss, but that was only 1,200. And then I zoom out mentally and go, oh, okay, it's 1,200 out of like my $12,000 of drawdown. It's actually just a little drop in the bucket. It's not even a big deal. So, but sometimes you got to zoom out and really look at that to remember, like, that's what it takes. Part of the game when you're an autist. Very true, my friend. Very true. Very, very true. Let's get a new higher day here. Let's get a pumpage. Let's get a rip stick, as I like to call it. Let's get a fucking rip stick. Because if we get NQ through 22,900, which also is confluence with VWAP right now, and that starts to go, I'm almost, I don't want to say certain, but I'm very, very more confident that this should go to my TP. But NQ's got to get through it. We're getting close here. We're getting close. You guys got to hang out for a second. I need to take a piss. So watch my positions for me. Okay. New high day. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go. Keep pushing. Push through this damn 2250, dude. I want more fucking volume, more aggression to the upside. Look at this bounce off VWAP. That's why I love it, man. So I love it. NQ right into 22,900 here and into VWAP. Got the confluence. And there's a decent short setup there. I'm not going to lie, but just got to wait and see. Got to wait and see. What I hate about RTY, though, is it like loves to just sweep, pull back, sweep, pull back. And I'm just like, oh, God, just fucking don't give me a pullback here again. Just like, let's just go. Just give me 3. Give me my fucking 4 points from here. Give me my 40 ticks higher and just go. How's IWM looking? How's IWM looking? How we doing, chat? What's going on? Did you run back when that alert hit? I almost ran back to my own desk when I heard Thinkorswimmer. I did hear it when I was in the bathroom. I was like, oh my God, let's go. Put that bitch in 4-wheel drive. Give me my money. I know, give me my money is right, dude. Come on. Come on, brah. There we go. I've been in this trade for a long time. When did I enter this? I added to this. I can't even read this. Okay, so this got stopped. I don't even know when I got on this. 718. Oh yeah, and that's when I got stopped, and then I got back in. at 7:30. Okay, yeah, I got in on this reclaim here. Like, they got long right here, and I've been sitting through this whole fucking time. Whole time. 7 more minutes. I hope it hits TP in front of all you. That'd be cool. Still got NQ rejecting 22,900 though in VWAP, man. It's fucking hard. If we can get through that, it really would give some gasoline for this to start going. But it's just fucking taking forever, dude. It's just fucking taking forever. Back to 2250 here. Telling you, if NQ can get some gas, putting an alert on NQ. When I put magic alerts in and they go off, cool things happen. Cool things happen. Come on. Come on. I am patience. Yeah, I've been in this trade for God, an hour and a half. Can you guys sit in a trade for an hour and a half? Can you? That's my question. That is my freaking question, my friends. Just fucking go, dude. Just fucking go. Come on, just do it. Just fucking do it. I just don't like. I don't like what time it is, number one, for NQ. Cool, it's starting to get some momentum here a little bit. Back into 22,900 on NQ. Back into 22,900 on NQ. Just need this to fall through, guys. Need some love. Give me some love. Okay, 22,900. Spies through VWAP. Yes, it's through VWAP. Really interesting. I just don't like it, that fact that it's basically noon. It's basically lunchtime. That's what I don't like. Okay, NQ pushing through 22,900 here. Trying to get some love. Propel this thing higher. Come on. Rip it, bro. Fucking go. Freaking go. Okay, starting to push. Give us a really big push on NQ here, dude. That would help this position go. Come on. Come on. It's gonna fucking toy with me, dude. Why stop not at break even? You're already so deep in profit. Because I'm not a pussy. That's why. No, I mean, it's mentally at fucking break even. You're right. I'll put it there. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Actually, no, I'm going to put it here. Right here. Not this low. So I'm going for all of it. I was just asking, bro. I'm just being a dickhead. It's been a long 2 days, brother. It's been a long 2 days of like shitty sideways price action. I'm never sitting here at this time trading still. So I'm just like sitting through this waiting and I'm like, oh my God, come on. Just give me something. Get some movement. Oh my god, paint drying. NQ starting to push here though. Like this should give the movement the move that I want. Like, come on, dude. 2250 is like the death of me. This thing might just go sideways and then eventually pick up later in the day. Nice. You had a green. That's good. Chop City on Qs in the morning. So end of the day green. That's great. Love that. Decent push on NQ. It's trying. It's really trying. Just hate what time it is. All right, let's see how these this hourly candle shaped up. That's a pretty nice candle. That's a pretty nice candle, my friends. Look at that. Really nice close for this candle up here. Oh, God. Just slow. All right, how's this going to close? 30 minutes. That looks pretty good. Pretty good, my friends. Can we just get a ripstick? Give us a ripstick higher. Dude, just stop failing these highs. All right, I can't sit through this fucking pullback on stream anymore. I'm fucking over this shit. Let's see if we get a little pump right here. If we NQ's trying. RTY, go with it. Go with it. Go with the whole market, dude. Come on. Do you also trade options, by the way? Yeah, mainly just swing trade options now, though. I don't really day trade options too much anymore. Oh my god, just fucking go, dude. I think this will eventually get there. It's just gonna take a lot of time. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the stream. I hope it does close the trade for your piece. You're still green. Yeah, I know. I probably should. I probably should. I just like how NQ starting to pick up here, and that just tells me this will just be slow. And I think this will go to target. Like I trust in my system, and I trust in this. It's just going to be slow, and I don't know how long it's going to take. I really don't think this is gonna come stop me out though. Take profit, bro. Everyone. Only Tuesday. Look at everyone trying to be. Wow, all you guys are just being such good influences. This shit is so slow, it ain't worth it. Lock it out. Take some. Wow, look at you guys. Look at you guys. You guys are so sweet. Okay, let's see this push here. Let's see. I'm pretty confident this is gonna go to my target, guys. It's just gonna take patience. I really like, especially the way it's been acting and moving now. And then we got NQ back through 22,900. ES is almost near high a day. I think this is it's gonna work. It's just gonna take patience and just take a long time. That's basically just what's happening. You might be straight looking at it now. Yeah, it's I kind of want to like it's gonna take some time. I think it's gonna take some time. It's gonna like just grind higher. But I don't want to overthink this. I just want to fucking Like it makes sense. It's like 2250. It's like a big psychological level. It's gonna like take some time to be like, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? And then finally go and then come up into my target. But realistically, again, these 30-minute bars, like this, everything here looks decent. So I'm gonna hold it. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'll keep you guys posted on the gram. I'm gonna go make some breakfast, set and forget. If this ends up taking me out for whatever reason, then whatever. Then L's in the chat for me. That it is what it is. So yeah, that's that for me. All right, guys. Thank you for hanging out. Hopefully this hits TP. I wish it could have hit while I'm still sitting here, but I just don't want to sit through it. I'm fucking over it. And I want to make some food. I'm hungry. My body wants some protein. And that's that. So thank you. Much love. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. We'll be on tomorrow. So that's it. Later.